Hi, this is Steffi. I wanted to show you the coming home outfit for little Alexander. It's a Mickey Mouse. It's from Disney. It says "Catch the Ball," and I wanted to put this cute little hat on him because I know he's gonna look adorable in hats. I got this from Dollar General Tuesday. I have some more outfits coming in the mail, but I realized that Alexander was going to come before I got the new outfit, so I was like, I might as well get him a coming home outfit. I got a few other outfits here for him that were too small for Noah, and he's going to wear these socks, but I'm not sure. He's got cute feet, so he might have no socks on for a little while, but eventually I'll put the socks on. And I have some news, good news. Instead of coming in tomorrow, Alexander will be here today, sometime this morning. I am not sure if I'm gonna do a box opening. I'll try, and I have it in my head that I will, but I don't know. I'm a little too impatient. Like, even this video was a little bit rough because one, it's early. It's like 6:30, 7 o'clock a.m. and I'm just so excited. I woke up early. I had to check his tracking, and yep. Well, thanks for watching.